In a suburban neighborhood, there lived a happy family named the Johnsons. They were known for their close bond and cheerful demeanor. One day, a mysterious antique doll arrived at their doorstep. Intrigued, they brought it into their home, unaware of the darkness it carried. As days passed, strange occurrences plagued the Johnsons. Objects moved on their own, whispers filled the air, and shadows danced in the corners of their vision. The doll seemed to be the source of the malevolence, but they couldn't bring themselves to get rid of it. The family's once joyful home turned into a place of fear and despair. The children grew distant, their laughter replaced by tears. The parents, overwhelmed by the haunting presence, tried desperately to protect their family, but their efforts were in vain. One by one, the family members vanished without a trace, leaving behind an empty house filled with sorrow. The doll remained, a chilling reminder of the family that once thrived within its walls. The sad ending left the neighborhood in shock, forever haunted by the mystery of the vanishing family. A young girl received a beautiful porcelain doll as a birthday gift. She loved it and played with it every day. However, her behavior started to change. She became withdrawn and began talking to the doll as if it were alive. Her parents grew concerned and consulted a psychic, who revealed that the doll was cursed. It turned out that the doll was created by a vengeful dollmaker, who infused it with dark magic. The curse caused the girl's life force to slowly drain away, transferring it to the doll. The parents desperately searched for a way to break the curse. They eventually found an ancient spell that required destroying the doll. With a heavy heart, they destroyed the doll, breaking the curse and saving their daughter's life. In a small town, a family inherited an antique doll from a deceased relative. At first, they found it charming and placed it in their daughter's room. However, strange things started happening soon after. The doll would move on its own, its eyes would follow people, and eerie laughter could be heard at night. The family became increasingly terrified. As the doll's behavior escalated, they decided to get rid of it, but every time they tried, the doll would mysteriously reappear in their home. Eventually, they sought the help of a paranormal investigator who discovered that the doll was possessed by the spirit of a vengeful child. With a series of rituals, the investigator managed to cleanse the doll and bring peace back to the family.